Hola guys, it's me, and I am coming to you with my subscriptions from Boxycharm, which is the regular Boxycharm, not the Boxy Luxe, and my Ipsy subscription. Y'all know that I never ever have anything nice to say about Ipsy, and I am forever forgetting to cancel my subscription. But yo, lo and behold, another subscription came in, so I'm like, whatever, let me just embrace it and just show you guys what I got. So I'm gonna start with the Ipsy subscription first. So this is this month's Ipsy bag, which is kind of reminds me of like a denim kind of jean type material. So this is the bag, which is cute if you like that sort of thing. And I'm going to open it up and just show you what is in the card. Welcome to our best year yet. They've got big changes, new features, pick your passion. You can add up to 3 extra samples to your glam bag. With add-on score, new fab full size steals with Glam Bag Plus, which if anyone knows, please comment below, how do you get the Glam Plus? Because I tried. I went on the website on my account and I just did not find anywhere to subscribe. Is there something special you're supposed to do? I have no idea. So if someone can guide me with that, and maybe, just maybe, I can change my opinion on Ipsy. Maybe I need the Ipsy, you know, the Glam, whatever Ipsy, the Glam Bag Plus. So anyway, new ways to personalize, so you can personalize which products you want, more beauty brands you love. We've got more coming, including Huda Beauty, Benefit, It Cosmetics, Sunday Riley, Glam Glow, and others. Thank the Lord Jesus, Mary, and Joseph, and all the angels in heaven, because I am just so not liking the brands that Ipsy puts in. Listen, I'm all for indie brands. That's great. I have found indie brands that I actually do like. But the brands they have are just not great. They're just not, I just don't like them. Look, I'm gonna be quiet now. I'm just gonna show you the products. So the first product, and I'm going to open it out of its little styrofoam thingamabob. This is from Ella Eden London, and I'm guessing this is an eyeshadow. I'm trying to look for the color, but it does not show the color on here. I'm gonna open it up, and it's sealed. Sorry y'all, I'm having like tantrums because it's Monday. But here is the color of the eyeshadow, which is actually pretty nice. Let me just swatch. Okay, it looks more champagne-y on the finger. I'm gonna swatch it right here. It's actually pretty nice, very light. It looks more champagne-y, I think, on the hand. Here it looked more, it kind of looked more rosy. I don't know how it appears on camera, but in person it looked like a little more rosy toned. And here, it still has a little bit of that, but it's showing some hints of a champagne thing going on there too. Okay, so next product, and this is a brush. This is from BDB, Billion Dollar Brushes. And here it is. It looks like to me that it's a large concealer brush, or you can use it for foundation. Definitely synthetic brush. I don't use these too much. Maybe I'll find something to do with it, because I don't know, I tend to use my beauty blender for everything. Next product, and this one I'm actually kind of, you know, looking forward to using. This is from Skin & Co. And this is the Polishing Micro Exfoliating Truffle Face Gommage, or I don't know what, but this is obviously an exfoliator, and I am looking forward to trying this product out. It's Polishing Micro Exfoliating Truffle. It's enriched with grounded apricot to naturally, gently buff away dry skin. Innovative formula, protects the skin, Sweet almond oil to help the exfoliation process. Is this sealed? It is, but I will take off the little thingamabob, and there it is. Oh, it smells actually kind of nice. It kind of reminds, it smells like shea butter to me. Exactly what it smells like. Okay, so next product And I'm actually looking forward to this product too, shockingly enough. This is from Tarte, and this is the Tarte Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Full Coverage Foundation with SPF 15 in it. I've actually looked at this for quite a while online. I just never bothered on getting it. This is in the color Fair Sand. So I'm going to swatch it on my hand. I mean, even though that's obviously not the place to swatch foundation, it would be on your jawline, but I just want to see how it would look. Okay, so this is the color. Where are you? Can you focus? Yes, there you go. That's the color. It looks like maybe I can get away with it. It looks, I'll see. It's looking just a little bit too yellow. And I'm really a neutral undertone, so I'm not sure how that'll try out, but I'm still gonna try it. And the last product in my Ipsy bag is from Lip Lure Bell and Garn. Listen, there's just too many words on this container, okay? Here it is right here. So this is obviously a lip product. It is a lip gloss, and I absolutely hate it. Yay! This is, as you can see, this is a, I don't know what, a glittery, yeah, Lip Lure gloss, and it's probably gonna be clear, yeah, doe foot applicator, and it has sparkles in it, which I really don't see too much. Now it's gonna be clear, obviously, so there it is right there. I'm not a gloss person. I don't know what I'm going to do with that gloss. I don't know if I'm going to use it. Doesn't really smell like anything at all. So yeah. So that was my Ipsy bag. I have no comments. I like the exfoliator. The brush is okay, you know. Lip gloss is a no-no. The eyeshadow looked kind of nice. That's about it. So I'm going to go into the products now for my Boxycharm subscription. And to be honest with you, I'm going to show you right now. I kind of was just a little bit disappointed, and I'm just going to show you why. First of all, here is the little card that comes in the Boxycharm, Boxy and Chill. They still put the products on the back, y'all. Products are still on the back. And they give you the price on them so that you know what your box is worth. So, first product I'm going to show you, and this is from Briogeo. This is the Don't Despair Repair. And this is a leave-in conditioner, moisturizing and straightening leave-in conditioner. Provides reparative benefits and beyond. Formulation encapsulated argan oil and optimum blend, coconut oil, algae extract, blah blah blah. Resale price is $16. So we shall see. Next product, and this was a nice thing because I do like sheet masks. This is from Tatcha, and I do like Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Face Mask, and this is a 2-pack. Retail price is $24. I am appreciative of masks. I like sheet masks. I recommend that you use sheet masks, and I'm gonna say to use them at least twice a week, minimal. 3 times a week would be great, but twice minimal. Next product that I got, this is the blah 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 blah. What am I looking at? This is an eyeliner. This is from Starlux, and this is the Luxe Longwear Eye Pencil. I have not opened this. I'm going to open it right now just so that I can see. Oh, I saw something. I saw something. Look. Do you see that? I am not happy. In any event, I'm going to swatch it, which is very nice and very black. As you can see, it is creamy, so that's a nice thing. I don't appreciate the fact that it's not very stable inside of the container, but I'll let that go. Next product is from Ofra, and I do like Ofra. This is the long-lasting liquid lipstick, and this is in the color Havana Nights. So I'm gonna try it on, and I'm actually gonna try it on using the mirror of the last product, which is actually a palette that I received. I don't know about you, but if you received this box and you got this palette, can you like let me know what you think, because I think that it's poo-poo. This is the Tarte limited edition Rainforest of the Sea highlighting eyeshadow palette, vegan crease-free shadow palette, highly reflective plush micro shimmers, and one matte shade that serves as a transition, blendable, blah blah blah. I get it. Yeah, I'm wearing it. In case you have not noticed, I wore it today. The colors are like next to nowhere. I know that they're micro shimmers, blah blah blah. It's just like nothing is there. I will, however, say that I think that you can use this as a highlighter palette. I mean, that's why they said it, right? Listen, tell me if I'm wrong or not. It says eyeshadow palette. The colors are very, very, very shimmery. And they're also very light. I'm wearing them. I actually took like the darkest colors and combined them all to put them on. I think that it's good for an everyday look. It's good for a lazy look, which is what I wore today because it's Monday when I'm recording this. And usually I don't glam. Sorry, my camera cut off. But anyway, as I was saying, I usually don't glam up very much on Mondays. So this is like typical neutral, natural thing. So I think that this is good for a natural look, everyday look, lazy look like I like to do it. And you can also use this as a highlighter. I did put a little bit on my cheeks for a highlighter just so that you can see. Didn't put too much, just a little bit. I typically used this one and this one. And, you know, they're glittery. They got little, not glittery, you know, little shimmer things going on there. You know, so that's what I used it for typically. And it's funny, they really swatch good on the hands, but when you put them on, maybe if you wet them, they'll be different. I didn't wet them or anything. So yeah, that's my take on the palette. I don't hate the palette. I just thought that it was going to be more pigmented than what it was. The transitional shade is very light. I used the transitional shade and it's like, it's pretty much like you put nothing on. So that's just my opinion of the palette. If you have a different opinion or you thought differently or I should look at it differently or try it differently, let me know. I'm gonna put on this lip color just so that you can see it, and this is obviously on the site. I mean, if you didn't get it or whatever, you can get it on Boxycharm or get it on the site. I'm going to go ahead and, whoa, is that dark? That is the color right there. That is a dark color. Holy moly. Ew. Okay, so that's the color. Oof. I think I did an awful job of applying the color. But yeah, that's the color. It's a very dark, winey, almost like a boudoir color. Is that why you say boudoir? You know what I mean. It's like a super dark burgundy going into wine. Listen, you know what you're looking at. Okay, so those are the products that I got in my Ipsy bag and my Boxycharm. So, it was okay, I guess. Ipsy, I really don't get my hopes up too much anymore. I did find 2 products in there, maybe 3, that actually was not too bad. Now, my Boxycharm, I'm actually surprised that I'm going to say this, but I'm kind of just a wee bit disappointed this month. I've gotten better boxes from them. I don't know. And maybe the Boxy Luxe like really spoiled me. Like Boxycharm on a regular basis spoils you, but if you get the Luxe, like it spoils the bejesus out of you. So so I don't know what it was. I think maybe the palette was a letdown because when I saw that I was getting it, I was so excited. But the colors are just so very light. And I don't mind having light colors in a palette because there are times where, you know, you don't want to glam up. You really just want to keep it simple. And I guess I can use it from time to time on an everyday look, like I did use it today to go to work. But, you know, again, I guess I kind of expected a little more pigmentation. But however, the upside is if you want, you can also use it as a highlighter. So I'm going to excuse that one. So those are my subscriptions in my box. I hope that you enjoyed the video. And sound down below, what did you get in your box? And, you know, let me know and let's chat. So thanks for watching, guys. And I will see you in the next video. Adios.